Most sovereign wealth funds don't realize this, but the gravity of traditional debt is pulling gold down. But today, the world's biggest money is moving. In this video, I'm showing you the secret migration from inert bullion to programmable digital scarcity. We're talking about the future of national reserves. If you're new here, welcome to DavitoFinance, where we help you understand how to make money in crypto, DeFi, and Forex trading. I'm glad you're here for this one. Traditional national reserves are trapped in a cycle of mounting debt and stagnating liquidity. The math simply doesn't work anymore. For centuries, gold was the ultimate hedge. But today, it's a passive insurance policy. It's an inert asset in a high-velocity digital world. Sovereign wealth funds, the biggest pools of money on earth, are now looking for something more: programmable digital scarcity. This isn't just digital gold. It's an asset that audits itself in real time. Think about that. A reserve that proves its existence every single second. Unlike physical gold sitting in a secret vault, digital scarcity offers algorithmic transparency. It's verifiable, global, and instant. Now here's where it gets interesting. This is a structural migration of capital. We aren't just talking about a trend. We're talking about a paradigm shift. Large-scale institutional players are shifting billions out of traditional hedges and into verifiable digital assets. They are escaping the debt gravity. In a world of sanctions and frozen assets, the ability to move value outside traditional rails is the ultimate power move for a nation. Most people miss this. Transparency is actually a better defense than secrecy in the modern financial era. If everyone can see it, no one can fake it. Digital scarcity transforms a national reserve from a passive anchor into a high-velocity asset. It moves at the speed of light, not the speed of an armored truck. Gold is heavy, it's expensive to secure, and it's nearly impossible to settle in real time across borders during a crisis. It's a relic of a slower age. Digital assets solve this by allowing for instant settlement with absolute mathematical certainty. There's no trust required when you have the code. When an asset is programmable, it can be put to work automatically. It can provide yield, liquidity, and security in ways gold never could. We can now audit real-time liquidity against stagnant vaults. The data is leaning heavily one way, and the smart money is following the math. Several nations are already quietly building strategic digital reserves to bypass traditional banking gatekeepers. They are securing their future. This is about more than just profit. It's about economic sovereignty in a fractured global landscape. It's about being truly independent. We are witnessing a migration to escape the gravity of debt that has defined the last century. We are moving toward the digital light. If you're finding this helpful, take a second to like this video and subscribe to this channel. It really helps the channel and lets me know you want more videos like this. Comment below and let me know your thoughts or questions. I personally read and respond to every single comment on this channel. But this next part is the most important. The velocity of an asset is its true strength in a crisis. This is a game changer. In a liquidity crunch, the asset that moves the fastest wins. Gold simply cannot compete with the speed of a global, decentralized network. Modern portfolio theory for nations is being rewritten as we speak. Scarcity, verifiable, digital scarcity, is the new gold standard for the 21st century. Strategic risk management now requires a footprint in the digital realm. To protect national wealth, you must be where the growth is. As more sovereign funds pivot, the network effect increases. This makes the asset even more secure, more liquid, and more valuable over time. Here is the secret. The shift isn't about finding a better gold. It's about an asset that functions as code. It's money that can think for itself. When money is code, it can be programmed to perform, verify, and settle without human error or political interference. That is true power. We are looking at a future where the world's most powerful nations are built on algorithmic foundations. The old guard is being replaced. I've included helpful resources in the description below that will help you understand this pivot. Make sure you check it out to stay ahead. To recap, digital scarcity offers better transparency, higher velocity, and absolute sovereignty for national reserves. The choice is clear. The pivot has started, and once the wall of sovereign money moves, there's no turning back. This is the great wealth transfer. Understand this shift now, or be left behind as the old financial guard loses its grip on the world. The time to learn is now. You have the tools to participate in this revolution. It starts with education and action. That's the mindset we build here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share it with someone who would benefit, and subscribe to DavitoFinance for more videos like this. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep building.